Now in 6D, we do the same procedure as we did for the previous questions. Decompose to factor this expression. So we need two numbers whose sum is minus 20 and whose product is 4 times 25, which is 100. Well, we know that 10 times 10 equals to 100. And we also know that minus 10 times minus 10 equals to 100. And the reason why I'm doing this minus 10 times minus 10 is because the sum is a negative number. And when we find the sum, minus 10 is indeed equal to minus 20. So the two cases, the two numbers that work for these two cases are therefore minus 10 and minus 10, the same two numbers. So when we decompose the middle term, we get 4x squared minus 10x minus 10x plus 25. We factor these two and then we factor these two. So here we can factor out a 2x. 2 goes into 4 2 times, an x and x squared, so we're left with an x. 2 goes into minus 10 minus 5 times, and we're factoring an x from an x, so we're left with no x variable. What can we factor out from here? We can factor out a minus 5. And what we're left with? Minus 5 goes into minus 10 2 times, so we're left with 2, then the x. And minus 5 goes into 25 minus 5 times, so we're left with a minus 5. Notice this and this, they're the same. So we can factor out a 2x minus 5. And then we're left with what you know is the exact same thing, 2x minus 5.